Okay, so what are we doing today?
I guess feeding stuff.
Like?
Bird. Creepy bird.
Creepy bird?
He won't do
Should I
anything.
go? Feed him.
I already threw
Threw a
some.
hamburger. Like a piece of the hamburger.
Ah!
Try throw the bread by the water.
By the water or in the water?
In the water, and then when the fish come, maybe he's gonna go get the fish.
He likes wet, or he's getting fish.
Ooh, he got a fish.
Oh, you're filming this,
Yeah,
right?
I got it, yeah. That's what he waits for. He waits for you to throw the...
Oh, that's sad.
This is like National Geographic.
Oh, he just swallowed it.
Oh my goodness.
That's creepy. No wonder it's called Creepy Bird. Even that one's waiting.
Shall we do that side now?